Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been couponing, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how I got all of this for free. All of it for free. With a $7.42 moneymaker. Okay, today Walgreens sent me spend $25, get $7 wags cash, as they say. And P&G is running a deal when you spend $15 on P&G product, you will get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna show you my deal. I had 5 off of 3 on the mouthwash. I had a 4 off of 2 for the toothbrushes. This right here, the Cantu, I rolled my $3 register reward from last week onto this. And here's my receipt. My subtotal was $14.58. I got back $5 for the mouthwash, $5 for doing the spend 15 on a P&G deal, and I got back a $3 register reward, but I rolled that register reward that I got back off the toothbrushes onto my next transaction, which made this a $7.42 moneymaker because I got 5, 5, 3, plus spend 25, get 7. Look at that. Earn this visit, $7.26. Now let's see what I did with my next transaction. Okay, on my next transaction, remember I rolled this register reward, the $3 onto here. It's that Dove body wash. So they running a special Dove body wash, $7 a piece. And when you buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. Plus, it's a $7 off of 2 digital that you can use to lower your out-of-pocket. So here's my receipt. Y'all see the Dove? Let me see, can I get closer? You see the Dove was $14. I wrote a $3 register reward that I got off the Colgate onto this one. And you see that 7 off of 2 digital coupon. My subtotal was $4 with tax. It made it $5.40. I rolled $5 in wags cash that I had, which made 40 cents out of pocket. Then I got my $2 register reward for this deal, which made it $1.60 moneymaker, which means it's free. So this is what I got at Walgreens this week. Make sure y'all check out them deals, because that's a good deal, because I'm going to go back and I'm going to do another spend 15 on this P&G. You can do paper. It's a lot you can do. Laundry detergent, and you'll get your $5 register reward. So comment down below how y'all do on your couponing, and have y'all started couponing yet. But until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. And here's all my free stuff with my money makers. Give me the thumbs up. Bye-bye, fam.